Hi, let's try to do example 1. So let's read the question. Okay. So figure 1.1 shows three equal charges A, B, C. Okay. So QA, QB and QC are equal charges, but they don't give you, but it's okay. So with A and B are positively charged and C is negatively charged. Okay. So charge A exerts a force of 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6N on charge B. So apa maksudnya ni? So we have the number 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6N. So this is a force of A on B. So this is A, B lah. Okay. And then dia cakap with the help of an electric force diagram. So this is a hint that you need to draw the electric force diagram. Determine the total or resultant force on charge B. Okay. So dia suruh kira berapakah total force dekat charge B lah. Okay. So force B akan rasa force disebabkan oleh A dan juga oleh C lah. Okay. So the first step you must do to answer this question adalah to find the resultant force. Okay. You draw the electric force diagram. Okay, so we have this one. B is positive, A is positive. So positive akan repel lah. So must draw from B. Okay, so repel maksudnya bukan ke sana lah kan? Bukan ke sana. It will be ke sana lah sebab repel. Okay, so this one would be F A on B. Okay. Okay, how about this one? Antara positive and negative. So dia akan attract. So dia akan ke bawah lah. Ke bawah. So this one we label is as C on B. Okay. So remember when we want to find the total force on charge apa-apa, yang on tu mesti kat belakang. This one contoh on B, so B tu yang kat belakang. Okay. So the second step is to find the value of FAB and FCB lah. But we already know the value of FAB. Iaitu 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. Okay. But we don't know the value of FCB. So we calculate it. Okay. QC QB over R square. But we don't have the value of QC and QB. But that's fine. And then the distance between B and C adalah 20 cm. Iaitu 0.2 square lah. Okay. But we don't have the value of QC and QB. So how do I find it? Okay, I think I can find it from here lah kan. So this one FAB is equals to KQA QB over R square. So I think I can find the value of QA and QB. So the distance between A and B adalah 30 cm. That means 0.3 square. Okay. So this one, the value is 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. And then QA and QB, will you get? I think you will get 1.10 times 10 to the power of negative 8C. Okay. So, Miss boleh ambil nilai QA and QB ni sama dengan QC and QB because they are all equal charges. So, I think I can masukkan kat sini kan. So, this one, I'm going to put 1.10 darab 10 kuasa negatif 8. And I think your answer would get 6.75 times 10 to the power of negative 6 Newton. Okay. Right. And then the step 3 is to put it on in the box. Okay. So box. Okay, so we have force dekat X component, force dekat Y component. So we have to put it on X and Y lah sebab dia vector. So we have FAB, we have FCB and then we have the total force on X and Y component lah. So this is total force on X, this is total force on Y component. Okay, so let's take a look. So you know that FAB adalah dekat X, positif X, so mesti positif ke kanan kan. So Y pula kosong. Oh, sorry. So this one will be 0 and FAB adalah positif 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. And then FCB pula dekat Y komponen tapi ke bawah. So X dia kosong. Y dia akan jadi negative 6.75 times 10 to the power of negative 6 lah. Okay. So if we put it in the ni kan. So this one fx kita akan jadi 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6 lah, tambahkan. Ni akan dapat negatif 6.75 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. Okay, so the fourth step is to use theorem Pythagoras, iaitu f equals to fx square plus fy square. Okay, so ibaratnya macam mana Ibaratnya macam you ada nilai, katalah nilai 3 contoh kan. Lepas tu nilai 4. So nak find total dia kat sini adalah kamu akan buat step ni kan, theorem Pythagoras. So you dapat 5 kan. Sama jugalah. So I want to find berapa total force on B dekat sini lah. So using theorem Pythagoras. So Miss pun masukkanlah nilai dia. And then you get your answer to be 7.39 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6 N. Okay. So bila soalan minta resultant force magnitude kan. So disebabkan force ni adalah vector. So vector mesti ada nilai, magnitude and direction. Walaupun dia tak minta direction, but you have to give it the direction lah. Iaitu berapakah angle dia kat sini. So the angle you akan guna formula tangent theta equals to fy over fx modulus. So theta is tangent inverse 6.75 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6 over 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. And I think you get your angle to be 66 degree lah. Iaitu angle kita kat sini adalah 66 degree. Iaitu below, di bawah. This is a positive x-axis. So I think you can write down below positive x-axis. Okay.